Spend an unforgettable Easter holiday with the kids this Easter vacation from 13th April to 22nd April. We're going to Beauvais. Are you coming with us? We will spend 10 days exploring Beauvais and other parts of France with cultural trips to famous historical sites, loads of fun experiences at theme parks and other centers, and linguistic workshops to improve our French. We will also experience networking with the locals as we immerse ourselves into the French language, culture, and delicious cuisine. Oh la la! Our all-inclusive package covers airfare, accommodation, meals, trips, transportation, travel insurance, and language workshops, all at an unbelievable, jaw-dropping price. What are you waiting for? Pick up the phone and register now. To register, contact Kemi on +44 796 104 6616 +44 796 104 6616. See you in France this Easter vacation.